project at Lullington in Overseal is development of 12 sustainable properties within the Overseal area, and this is built on behalf of South Derbyshire District Council. In terms of the impacts that this has within the social local environment, a lot of the subcontractors and also suppliers that we've used are from the local vicinity. So approximately over 90% of the suppliers and subcontractors that we've used is actually within 20 miles of the site, which means that a lot of the money that we spent on them is actually put back into the local economy. The actual properties themselves achieve a EPC rating of B, which is actually a lot higher than the UK average. Therefore, a lot of the tenants that we will be moving into these will actually be paying a lot less than that will be currently.
We've got over 1,000 people on our housing waiting list in South Derbyshire, so we're constantly looking for new units of affordable housing. Lullington was particularly difficult because it's a semi-rural location, so we had to be quite sensitive about the design, the density, the layout, and also having engagement with the local community from the very start. It's really exciting for South Derbyshire because it's part of the first phase of new council house building in a generation, so we wanted to make sure the buildings are high quality, sustainable and functional for local people, and I think we've achieved that.
In terms of the design, South Derbyshire were very keen on providing accommodation that matched for sale properties locally. So we were very keen on good spatial standards within the buildings and also generous gardens, landscaping and parking. Some of the properties are lifetime homes. This means that the properties can be adapted as people's circumstances change during the course of their lives. It means they can stay where they are and don't have to move on. We think it's been an excellent process with Woodheads. They're very proactive with the client and ensuring that the client gets what they want, and the standard of the construction and the finish of the properties is extremely good.
With this scheme in particular, it's been very demanding in terms of the challenges that we've had to face from a design point of view for services and such like. However, because of the collaborative approach between the whole design team and also the clients, it's meant that we've been able to achieve and actually get over these challenges.
We've worked on 2 schemes with Robert Woodhead, and we've been really impressed with their attitude. They've been proactive when it comes to finding solutions to problems, and so it's made it a really great project to work on, and we've got a good product that's come out of it. The site is looking great and the tenants are happy.